Imagine buying a house for less money than a brand new car. Not a tent, not a broken cabin, a real home with walls, roof, electricity, and legal ownership. Some of these houses cost under $30,000. Yes, cheaper than most SUVs. Today, you're about to see 15 American places where homes cost less than cars, and number one will seriously shock you. Let's begin. Because of factory shutdowns, job migration, and population decline, many American towns now have extremely cheap housing. While New York and California push prices above $500,000, these places sell homes for pocket change. Now, let's count them down. Number 15. Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Average home prices here start around $45,000 to $65,000. That's cheaper than a new pickup truck. Once a strong industrial town, today Pine Bluff offers large houses at tiny prices. For budget buyers, this place is a hidden opportunity. Number 14. Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Homes here sell for around $30,000 to $55,000. That's less than many used SUVs. Steel industry collapse reduced population, but left behind affordable housing everywhere. Number 13. Cairo, Illinois. In Cairo, some houses sell for $20,000 to $40,000. Yes, that's cheaper than basic sedans. Low demand and shrinking population created one of the cheapest housing markets in the Midwest. Number 12. Macon, Georgia. In certain neighborhoods, homes start around $50,000 to $75,000. Southern charm, historic properties, and car-level prices. That combination is rare. Number 11. Rockford, Illinois. Rockford homes can be found between $40,000 and $70,000. While Chicago prices explode, Rockford remains affordable. It's one of Illinois' best value cities. Number 10. Gary, Indiana. Gary is famous for abandoned factories, but housing prices are unbelievable. Some homes sell for $15,000 to $35,000. Combines city infrastructure. Large houses, big yards, small price tags. Number 4. Saginaw, Michigan. Saginaw homes sell for $20,000 to $45,000. Some streets have dozens of empty properties. This created one of the lowest average home prices in America. Number 3. Detroit, Michigan. Detroit is rebuilding, but many neighborhoods still offer homes around $25,000 to $60,000. While downtown grows expensive, outer areas remain dirt cheap. Number 2. East St. Louis, Illinois. Here, homes can be found for $15,000 to $35,000. That's cheaper than car down payments. Location near St. Louis metro area makes this even more shocking. Number 1. Midwest Rust Belt microtowns. Across small towns near Gary, Cleveland, Buffalo, and Detroit, Entire houses sell for under $20,000, some even below $10,000. These are officially some of the cheapest real estate markets in America. Local governments want new residents. They want buyers, and prices reflect desperation for growth. But remember, cheap homes don't come without problems. Low prices often mean fewer jobs, declining population, aging infrastructure, safety issues, limited entertainment. Always research before buying. But for investors, retirees, remote workers, these places offer something rare: ownership without lifetime debt. Now tell me honestly, would you buy a house cheaper than a car? Or would you rather stay in expensive cities and keep renting? Subscribe for more hidden America and real estate stories, because the next video will expose places even Americans don't talk about.